In this video, I'm showing you two ways to connect Canva to AI, through ChatGPT and through SureThing. To connect it in ChatGPT, open ChatGPT and go to Apps, then click View. Find Canva and click Connect. Sign in with your Canva account and click Allow to approve the permissions. That's it! Canva now shows up as an app you can call inside any chat. ChatGPT can create designs from a prompt, rewrite copy, and suggest layouts, all conversationally. However, it can't touch your actual Canva account. No browsing your files, no exporting, no publishing to social. That's exactly where SureThing comes in. Let's connect that next. Go to SureThing.io. It's free to start, no credit card needed, and sign up with your email. You'll land in your workspace with projects and agents in the sidebar. Then, you can connect Canva to SureThing in just a few clicks. Click Connect 1000 plus apps, search for Canva, click Connect, and follow the steps to authorize it. Click Allow, and that's it. You've successfully connected Canva to SureThing. Here's what's even better. You're not just connecting Canva, you can connect over 1,000 apps directly into SureThing. That makes SureThing a single control center for everything you use. So instead of jumping between a dozen different tools, you just open one, SureThing, and manage your work across every platform from one place. And once your routines are set up, you don't even need to open SureThing, your phone, or your computer. You don't even need an internet connection on your end. Set it, go enjoy your vacation, and SureThing keeps running everything in the background. With Canva connected to ChatGPT and SureThing, you can easily go from an idea to a finished design to it being posted across your social platforms, all without leaving the chat. Link to SureThing is in the description. It's free to start. And that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you've got questions. I read every one. See you in the next video.